So Google finally did it. After years of ARM Linux users begging and hacking and URL editing their way into the unofficial build, Google Chrome has now fully native ARM64 version for Linux. And it's official, live on the download page. No tricks, no emulation, no Chromium, only compromise that this is the real deal. Google quietly rolled out native ARM64 Chrome build for 4 major Linux families: Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, and OpenSUSE. These packages are now selectable downloads from the Google download page. Complete the rollout Google originally promised in Q2 2026, even though they missed the deadline by a few weeks. This means ARM users no longer need to rely on Chromium builds, community-maintained packages, Chrome OS extractable hacks, URL edits, tricks to swap ARM64 for ARM. Now it's official. It's supported and it works. For years, ARM Linux users, from Raspberry Pi hobbyists to enterprise ARM workstations owners, were stuck without proper Chrome builds. Chromium was fine, but it lacked Google account sync, full extension capabilities, integrated wide vein DRM for Netflix and Disney, Prime videos, etc. The new ARM Chrome build includes native Wildvine DRM, ARM64 baked right in. That means protected streaming content finally works without hacked or shady scripts. This is huge for Raspberry Pi 5 users, Snapdragon X laptops, NVIDIA Jetson, DGX Spark workstations, ARM servers running Ubuntu, Debian, or Fedora, SUSE. Chrome now behaves exactly like x86 version. Same features, same sync, same ecosystem. Testing the ARM hardware shows smooth 2K YouTube playback on Raspberry Pi. Full Google Sync extensions, passwords, bookmarks, automatic updaters via app drive and zipper. Lower power consumption compared to the emulators x86 builds. Faster startup times, and 30% on ARM laptops deliver benchmark. This isn't a beta, or experimental build. It's a stable Chrome. Just download the correct package: ARM64 DEB for Debian and Ubuntu, ARM64 RPM for Fedora and OpenSUSE. Install it normally, and Chrome automatically adds Google Repro. So update arrives with your system updates. Google Chrome arrives natively on ARM. Linux is more than a browser update. It's a signal ARM is no longer a second-class citizen in the Linux world. With Chrome wide vein sync, and it's fully parity. ARM desktops and laptops are now real daily driver machines, and this turning point for ARM computing. If you're running Linux, ARM hardware, Raspberry Pi, Snapdragon, Jetson, or anything else, go grab the new ARM64 Chrome build and experience the difference. And if you're building your digital sovereignty on ARM system, this is the big win. Like, follow, and subscribe. We will be back.